sticked away. Shoots! Oh, what a terrific save in close.
You don't get many better opportunities than that. Great save.
Shot back down for an icing, and back it will come into their zone again. Over 5 minutes played in the first. Still nothing on the score sheet yet. They win it. On the outside, a shot. Got a piece of it with the glove. Lin Choping setting things up at center. That puck's loose. Good defense. Can't get a shot on. Taken over again.
Well, let's hope that the game picks up in pace and energy a little bit here, boys, or we're going to lose you guys. You got a pillow upstairs that you can lie down on.
Loose puck, good defensive denial. He moves that one ahead through center. Big drive. Oh, saved by the wire of the mask. Clean win on the draw. Good, solid defensive play with the stick. And play stopped because of an offside. And they take that neutral zone face-off. Oh, and a great block of the puck. Gets in. What'll he do? Ooh, what a break. Shot hit the man. Lin Choping's finding its way to center ice. Recollects it. Oh, and that shot is way off.
As the shooter was about to let it go, the puck just went on edge a second. That's why the puck missed the net badly.
Shot. Oh, great save there. Not much room to work, but he got a good shot away.
Seems like he was in too tight on the goaltender.
Right from the slot. Wonderful work in close and a brilliant save. Trying to get something generated up the wing. Play is stopped. There is a signal. We just wanted to see who it is he's taking off. Lin Choping's got 2 on this one for tripping.
Well, in desperation mode, all he was trying to do was sweep the puck away, but unfortunately caught the player's skates.
There's always a start to your power play night, and this is number 1. Beat him on that one.
77, Patrick Mullins, 2 minutes for tripping. Time of the penalty, 14 minutes.
Wrist shot. Terrific save. So on this power play, they will resume from their own end of the ice. Great take, dangerous area. Penalty call coming. Watch for his signal here. Anderson's going to the box, and the call is tripping. And so begins power play number 1. Let's see if it's power play goal number 1. Gets in, looks over his options here. Score! A short-handed goal.
Shot was heavy and dangerous. Good thing it didn't hit anybody.
The speed of this is too much for the goalie, Eddie. He's in position. He just can't catch up to it.
A little over 4 minutes still showing on the clock this period. It's a 1-0 game. Lulea's up the wing settling things. Great shooting position. Oh, a close call there.
Well, that's a good scoring chance. He's trying to be too fine, trying to pick the corner. Sometimes you've just got to shoot it at the middle of the net.
Point to point. Back to the point. Out to the half wall. Fires it to the point. Score! And this one is tied. And They've won the neutral zone faceoff.
The power play.
Pitching this one to Fall.
John Sandstrom, assisted by number 16, Nicholas.
Lets a shot go. He caught it and he holds on.
Justin, time of the goal, 16 minutes, 47
Back to the
seconds.
point. Puts one on. Lin Shoping's controlling play now in the defensive zone. Gets across, looks over his options. Lets a shot fly. He missed the net.
This was a heavy shot, but it had no chance of going in because it missed the net.
Score! They trade goals.
I got to tell you, Doc, any chance I had to go to the backhand, I did.
Lin Shoping's ahead by 1 goal here in the first period. A lot of time still left to play, but getting one and breaking the tie was huge.
Lincoln goal, scored by number 21.
Nice play with the stick. Nothing more will come.
17,
He throws it there.
time of the goal, 19 minutes.
Takes his pass from the goalie. A wonderful save, and that just beat the clock too. 20 minutes have been played. Both teams had some success. Hockey's narrow. Second period about to begin here. Let's take a look back at the first. What impressed you most?
Lulea's team is still in this game, Doc. They're down by 1 goal, but easily could be a lot more. You hear the term now, puck management. They did not manage the puck at all in that first period.
Shoots. Oh, what a break. That shot hit somebody. Could this be icing? And it will be, based on the defense arriving first. Good clean win. What a ripper! Onside. Good place to shoot from. On through the corner. Great shooting lane. Terrific shot, but a great point-blank save.
Not often you're all alone in front of the goaltender from this area of the ice. Great save.
Hangs on to it. Dominance right now.
I'd be shocked if they don't score.
Tremendous pressure. Looking for room. He covers and holds on. Face-off win here. Just a backhander. The defense was in the way. Loose puck. Nicely into the zone. Sends to the point. Shot on. Oh, what a save. He's got it frozen. Not easy. They win the draw. Feeds the point. Lin Shoping starting back in their own end.
I'd like to say that I think this game is going to open up and there's going to be all kinds of chances all over the place, but both teams have really adopted a never give an inch style of play. I think this is tight checking right down to the final horn.
Good job on the draw. Lulea's waiting to get things organized in the defensive zone. Gets in and he'll look over his options. And he picks it up. Takes that pass at center, see if we can move something. Fires. Holds in the corner. He scores! 2 straight goals. Lin Shoping's goal has given them a 2-goal lead now, and there's still a lot of time left in the game. We're still in the second period. And they've taken that face-off between the blue lines and won it.
Thornton, assisted by number 18, Jacob Lulia, and by number 8, Derek Roy.
Using the point.
9 minutes, 49 seconds.
Goaltender pass. Brought ahead. Gains the zone and looks over his options. Lulea's skating in their own end, trying to get to the neutral zone. That puck's loose, not too well handled. Muscled off. Puck loose, now picked up. Lin Xiaoping starting back in the defensive zone. Scorches one. Score! That's 3 unanswered goals.
Great weight transfer on this slap shot.
This shot just overpowers him. He's in the right position. He stops a big chunk of it, but not enough as the puck's in the goal.
They win the draw and will now set up an attack.
Number 17, assisted by number 4.
Let's it go. Gloved.
Well, the hands are quicker than the glove. Great save.
It's an onside play. With a shot. Oh, tremendous save. Denied a terrific chance. Under 5 minutes to go in the second. Do you see a pattern developing here? They're up now by 3. Solid, clean win. Loose puck due to the play by Roy. Not a free puck now. Lulea's continuing on up the wing. Fantastic shutdown. And that one went offside. And that's a face-off win. Pitching it to Celine. Lin Xiaoping's in control of the puck through center. Shoots one. Has it back deep. Passing one off now to Celine. Wonderful job as he plays it up the wing. Pass to the slot. Great glove save.
There was some room. Not enough. Great glove save.
The second period is in the books, along with a lot of goals and maybe more coming up in the third. These two teams have played hard through 2, and we begin period 3. The stick can break up a play, and it just did. Big drive. You could almost count that one, but no, what a save. Score! They're back to within 2 now. Lulea's goal gets them to within 2. There is still time, thus there is still hope. It's a good thing. And they won the neutral zone faceoff. You win that, and you don't have to chase. They chase you. Good defensive play. Loose puck, though.
And by number 24,
Scooped up.
Time of the goal, 1 minute, 13 seconds.
Shoots. Terrific challenge. Outstanding save.
A quick developing play right in front. Almost looks like he's too close to the goaltender.
Makes that play deep. Lin Xiaoping shifting gears as they travel through center ice. Outstanding save. Just got his glove on it. In front. Fires. What a save. Seemingly had no chance. Lulea's in possession and moving up the wing. Around through the corner right now. Good jab with the stick there. That play is offside, and so back to center ice for the faceoff. Under 6 minutes have been skated in the third. Lin Xiaoping's facing a momentum shift. Can they buckle down, or will they buckle further? Their 3-goal lead has been trimmed to 2. Lets it go. Hangs on to that one, and he'll see a face-off right near it. Defensive zone win. 2 sticks together, they cancel. Lulea's in control of the puck in neutral ice.
A long pass ahead, and it's right on the money. He's got a chance.
To the point it comes. Got a piece of that one. Lin Shoping's got possession in the defensive zone. And he steps across the line. Brings a shot off the mark.
He doesn't miss it by much. He's right in the middle of the ice. He tries to bang it in off the goalpost and just misses.
It was defense, now it's offense. Let's see. Puck loose, couldn't get through. Knocked right off the stick. Trying the probe up the wing. Gains the zone. Fires a shot. Great poke check. They battle on up the wing. Didn't handle it very well. Free puck. Pass attempt to fall.
Takes that right wing pass perfectly.
Outstanding offense met by solid goaltending. The redirect went wide. Oh, it was a good idea, though. Shoots. Oh, missed the net. Lulea's back in its own end, trying to work forward. Pressing on with it up the wing. Good place to shoot from, and he does. Up the wing, moving along. Shoots it on. And a save. Freezes play.
Well, that even sounded hard, the way that he shot the puck, but the goalie makes the stop on that effort.
A big win. Let's see what happens. Lulea's on the move in neutral ice. Solid neutral ice poke check. Through the neutral zone. Gains the blue line. Terrific work with the glove. Couldn't keep it, though.
You could get a look at this from where I'm standing. This puck deflects off the goaltender. It goes up over the glass.
They win the draw. Now can they get it out? Oh, and the pass wouldn't go. And offside is called on the play. A little under 3 minutes remaining here in the third. The lead has just been cut in half. Let's see if there's a shift in momentum. Oh, look at this. He's alone. Can they catch him? Save.
Choping's built a lead on the fact that they've dominated puck possession. Their goaltender has had a very easy night in there. Hasn't had a lot of shots, but he stopped what he's had to.
Got it in his own end. Nearing the final minute of regulation. Good work with the stick. Goalie is gone. Extra man coming on. Strong defensive play. He knifed it away. Lin Shoping setting things up in the defensive zone.
He helps his team make progress with that bounce pass.
Net empty. A great opportunity, but he missed the net. Seeks the corner. Back on his stick. And cashes in. They've won the faceoff.
Scored by number 13.
Lin Shoping's in control as they travel up the wing.
And by number 40. Time of the goal. 19 minutes, 40 seconds.
Lulea's leaving the defensive zone. He's in on an onside play. Lets it go. Just couldn't find the target.
My dad once told me, Doc, if you don't hit the net, you can't score.
And there it is. The game is over. And the buzzer sounds. This was surgical.
You need good hands, Doc, to be a surgeon. They had good hands all night long.